Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. I'm the internet specialist here. Today I'll be showing you this Jazz SR which we have in stock, which is a self-charging hybrid. Came off a really nice customer. We sold it from brand new. The customer bought a new Jazz with the 23 reg this month. So it's covered in midnight black color. It's got front and rear parking sensors. Really nice car. Comes with 15-inch alloys, front LED automatic headlamps, the projector headlamps. Customers look very well after it. It's absolutely spotless. Can't fault any scratches or any damage on the car. Rear parking sensors there. Really lovely boot space in the car. Got the interior, got a lovely cotton interior. It's just a bit sunny. You have the magic seats for the Jazz. All 4 electric mirrors. I'll jump in and I'll show you the miles on this car. Yeah, the front driver one is automatic. Just let it focus. The rest are electric as well. Do have the folding wing mirrors. The car's done 11,759 miles. It's a self-charging hybrid. It does average 60 to a gallon. Got this 10-inch TFT touchscreen to show you everything. Do have a couple of USBs for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Got 12-volt socket there. Yeah, climate control. The automatic gearbox. You got braking and drive mode as well. Got eco mode, electric parking brake, auto hold, and multifunction steering wheel with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. Auto headlights, auto wipers. You do have the parking sensors button down there. Honda Sense, vehicle stability control, and lots more. So yeah, so the car's here with us. We'll leave with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to test drive one or come down and look at it or want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.